Hi, I'm Miracle Mike, Handicap Life.
I'm Shane with Camp Life Galleria.
And Sammy with Camp Life Galleria.
And we're going to give you a shot to our new adventure. Michael.
Thank you.
Samantha.
Thank you, Sherifa.
And me. We both have a shot of peanut butter whiskey, and Mike has a shot of iced tea.
Cheers.
Cheers. Make sure you like and subscribe to Handicap Life.
Definitely.
Best thing ever.
And
Camp Life Galleria!
Mic drop.
hi, I'm Miracle Mike, again from Lake of the Springs, Thousand Trails. Bored? Nope. Having a great summer. That is totally awesome. But soon, Disneyland and Grand Canyon. Can't wait. I'm excited and more journeys to come. As you see, my disabilities don't stop me from enjoying life. Let's go. My dad and me tied your own fly with all kinds of random materials. I used my cat's Scruffy's fur to make the flies look like real insects. Rest in peace, Scruffy. Soon. Sure, huh? Going. Right now, like, first time. That's it. That's it, though. And now. Yeah. Lots of bobbers. And hooks and swivels and everything. Lots of bluegills. It's easy for kids. Maybe to try a hot dog, worms, bait, and eggs. Just hook it up and wait and fish on. A lot of crappies and bass too. There you go, there you go. God, ah. Come. Nice. Nice ground. Nice. There we go. Nice. And heading out, I guess.
Oh, the smell, delicious. Smell in the woods of fresh chocolate chip cookies. Yeah. Wait, I'm trying to propane off.
Yeah.
All right.
Grab some cookie, bro.
Yeah. Try it out. Oh, man.
Fresh made cookies from camping. We haven't, so as you see, we don't do fake takes. This is all one real take.
Yeah.
This is how real cookies come out in the woods. Not perfect on TV.
Try it out.
And they don't break apart perfect. But they come out delicious.
Yum.
Mmm. That's a good cookie.
Yum.
Mmm.
Man.
As you see, cookies while camping.
Oven. Nice. Sausage, potato, onion, garlic, egg and milk, or coconut almonds, cheese, salsa, avocado, sour cream, and Tabasco. Mix it up and yum. A little bit more. Good bomb, man.
It looks good, Michael.
Happy birthday again.
No, my birthday, but her birthday.
Oh, yeah?
It's actually her birthday too.
Oh, man.
That's
Her
what I'm saying.
birthday, we
Happy,
have-
happy birthday to it's her
What's your
birthday.
name again?
Yeah, Ruthie.
It's her birthday. Ruthie. Look at this. Look at these. You see this?
What's up, though?
2 teeth.
Down the block, bathrooms and showers. But just in case, works or not. And it worked. I'm traveling place to place in Grand Canyon and more. Soon shower, can't wait. That's it. You know, so all the way around. Perfect.
Ah!
Miss.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, you made the bottom.
Bottom. Oh.
Little long, it's okay.
Miss. There.
You ready? Oh my god. No! So it's Shane with Camp Life Galleria, about to whip on Mike from Handicap Life. In the background is a fort that we built from scratch. We had cut wood from dead trees to make a habitat for like deers and zebras and deer bras. Those are like half deer, half zebra. Those are crazy. And ligers. Those are lion and tigers. Yeah, those are ligers. Those fly. So you got to be careful. Like these bags are gonna fly into that hole because what is it? Yes, I'm the best. All right, you ready at home? Okay. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, maybe you should. Maybe you should. You ready for this?
Yep.
Oh, so that was a miss. Here we go. Wow. This is why I played basketball growing up, because I am really good. Ready for this? Here we go. Again, it was a swoosh. Here we go, last one, and again. All good. All right. Mike's turn, I'm out. What's up, Wolf? Oh, come on, get off. Oh. Whoa, oh, you're throwing now. Wow, I'm on the camera.
Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah.
So close,
Wow,
so close.
Suck. Man. Come on. Oh, that was really good.
Yeah.
You were blind.
One more. Oh, man.
Oh, you got it. All right.
Dude.
Hold up. Oh, let me get him over there to you. Hang on. Here you go. Good shot, Mike. Oops, sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead. No, you go ahead. How about that? Here you go. Oops.
Yeah.
I'm a good sport. Oh, it's filming. My bad. You got that all right?
Yeah.
You okay? That's good. Yeah. All right. Good job. Okay. Here we go.
Womp, womp, womp.
Whew. I'm good. Wow. Look, a squirrel. You see the squirrel over there?
There's no squirrel.
Wow. Look, I got all 3 of them in, so.
Wow.
He did not.
One more, right? Oh, what?
Go ahead, one more. Come on, Mike. Ooh.
Almost. Oh, yeah. I won. I won. Good job. Huge sign. I'm pushing Itchy's head. This is Mike, signing out. I will see you next time with more adventures coming. Bye for now. See you next time.